So hey there. Many people before me have shown you how to get Windows 10 for as little as 20 bucks. But I'm going to show you how to get it for as little as 6 bucks. Or cheaper in some cases. Follow along and find out how. It's pretty easy. Just navigate your way to eBay. And then go ahead and search up Windows 10 in either your Pro Edition or the Home Edition. And look, there is a lot of them that are available for less than 6 bucks or just above, depending on which ones you want to go with. Okay, so the key thing you've got to make sure is you have to look at the amount of feedback they have. And if it is above 100, they're most likely trustworthy. I will show you how to check that they are genuine keys and full retail ones, so you can be guaranteed that your key will never get deactivated. It is very easy. Just go to your Windows menu button and right click on it, and then select Command Prompt Admin. This window will pop up. Now just input this code here. Press enter. This window will pop up. You can see that I'm using the Windows Server Data Center Edition, and that I'm using the retail channel. This is what you were looking for when you're buying the keys off eBay. It may say volume, and in that case, ask for an immediate refund, because that is not the type of key that you should be getting. I also advise you to complete your payment with PayPal, because not only do you get the eBay buyer protection there, you also get PayPal's one. I will be putting a video up on how to install Windows 10. This will be put in the description and also in the end of the video. I encourage you to subscribe, because then you will not miss any of my great content. See you soon!